Hello, my name is Elisa and I'm a library assistant with LA County Library. Today we are going to learn about the Asian Lunar New Year, which is celebrated by many across the globe. We will also learn how to make a fun paper lantern. The Asian Lunar New Year follows the lunar calendar. The lunar calendar system dates back to ancient times and is traditionally used in many countries like Japan, China, Vietnam, and Korea. Unlike the Gregorian calendar or the typical calendar that we follow every day, the lunar calendar goes by phases of the moon. Therefore, the first day of the new year may not fall on January 1st for the lunar calendar. This year, the first day of the Lunar New Year will be celebrated on the 12th of February. Many Asian countries, such as Singapore, Vietnam, Thailand, China, Korea, and Taiwan, often make the Lunar New Year a national holiday, and/or allow students and workers several days off in order to return home to their families and enjoy the festivities. Sometimes, they're even allowed 2 to 3 weeks off during this holiday. In some Asian countries, the Lunar New Year festivities are wrapped up with a bright lantern festival, which typically falls on the 15th day of the new year. Every culture and every family has different ways to celebrate the new year, ranging from watching dragon parades, lighting up firework displays, to eating a hearty meal with family members, to playing games and flying kites. Celebrating the Lunar New Year is all about welcoming happiness and prosperity for the upcoming year with family and friends. Now, I will show you how to make this easy and fun paper lantern so that you too can celebrate the Lunar New Year. Here are the materials we will need: paper, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, and some glue. First, we will take our paper and fold it in half. Next, we will take our ruler and measure 1/2 inch from the end of our paper. Mark a straight line with a pencil. This will be the rim of our paper lantern. Then, take your scissors and cut a straight line beginning from the folded crease up until the marked line. Repeat until you've cut multiple lines in your paper with even spacing as much as possible. You can also mark lines beforehand as cutting guidelines. Once you have finished cutting, we will then open up the paper and, taking the two ends of the paper, glue those ends down together. This will create a cylindrical shape. You should be gluing the two loose strips of the paper together. Remember, the first line we marked earlier represents the rim of our paper lantern. Once you finish gluing, you can gently push the two rims of your lantern together so that the strips are jutting out a little. Take a strip of paper or cut out a strip from another piece of paper and tape the ends of that strip down to both sides of your lantern, creating a handle to your lantern. You can also use ribbon or string as an alternative. Experiment with different paper sizes. You can make long or short, tiny or large lanterns based on the size of your paper. If you're ambitious, you can make tiny ones to string around the room, hang on a branch, or to go with fairy lights. If you want to decorate your lantern, it is easier to do so before you start folding and cutting. Have fun with creating colorful designs on your paper. Be creative. You can even add some paper streamers or smaller strips on the bottom. While red is generally considered a lucky color for celebrating the Lunar New Year, these days you can find many different colored lanterns and displays. You can find more about the Lunar New Year through our ebooks and audiobooks, which can be found on our website at lacountylibrary.org under the Digital Library tab. We hope you have enjoyed learning about the Asian Lunar New Year and how to make your own paper lantern. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now!